This is a quick movie showing you how to do an intensity over time live using a dual view. So if I just look here, I can press button 2 and I can set up to identify my cells. So I'm just going to do a freeform cell, so I'm just going to draw a region there, press continue, draw another region, and that should be enough. So I've got 4 regions, so that's all fine. Now I'm going to press button 3, and this is my setup live intensity, and I can have the data, but I'm just going to plot it. So I'm just going to say run live intensity. So now you can see I've got a graph, so I can move around and it'll scale based on the amount of light we have in the system, and this will continue all the way through until we need it to. So if I can identify an object, I can just say, okay, which one's the purple one, and I'll link it on the screen. Which one's that as well? So it's quite nice. It's actually scrolled and zoomed into that as well, so I can go and monitor each one of them as well. Okay, well, I hope you find that useful. If you have any questions, please contact your local Image Pro dealer or the UK office. Thank you.